really excited about the work of the DARE Hub, really enjoying today's second Stakeholder Co-Creation Workshop. It's great to have so many experts and really tackling really important issues from climate change adaptation, resilience, to infrastructure decarbonisation.
So the aging infrastructure, coupled now with these extreme weather events, are creating a situation in which the infrastructure is not really adapted to deliver.
This morning's been a really good session. We've covered a fairly wide variety of topics, and I think it's going to be like that. The whole business about decarbonising, well, from my point of view, rail freight supply chains is really quite a challenge.
The kind of ideas that we create here today would have long shadows in terms of what we can do and how we can do to make the transport of the future more resilient and works for everyone. And from that perspective, bringing different stakeholders together, because we are trying to tackle a very complex problem, and that's why we should listen to different stakeholders, different perspectives, so that we, as researchers, can start to look at how we build up our models and thought processes.
We've had people from the legal profession, from engineering, from the academic world, as well as from the Department of Transport and so on. I think that there's a bit of mixed feeling about how daunting the task is ahead of us, but also quite a bit of anticipation and excitement.
It's really interesting to hear all the different perspectives from people about the challenges around both decarbonisation and resilience, and how we find the sweet spot which solves both of those issues. This is a big topic, and so I think we're going to end up having further discussions and breaking this down into defining meaningful, tangible, practical solutions going forward. So watch this space, more to come.